Manually writing boilerplate, hunting down bugs, and context switching between your editor and a chatbot is exhausting. Claude Code lets you run a real AI coding agent directly in your terminal, reading your files, writing code, and fixing errors on its own. Here is exactly how to get it running on Windows the right way. Claude Code is built for a Unix-style environment, so on Windows you need WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Open PowerShell as administrator and run WSL install. This installs Ubuntu by default and only takes a few minutes. Once it finishes, restart your machine and open your Ubuntu terminal. Claude Code runs on Node.js, so you need it inside your WSL environment. The cleanest approach is to install NVM, the Node version manager, using the one-line curl command from the NVM GitHub page, then run nvm install lts. This gives you the latest stable Node without any permission headaches. With Node ready, installing Claude Code is one command, npm install g at Anthropic AI/Claude Code. The G flag installs it globally so you can call it from any project folder. When it finishes, type Claude version to confirm everything installed cleanly before you go further. The first time you run Claude in the terminal, it will prompt you for your Anthropic API key. Head to console.anthropic.com, grab your key from the API keys section, and paste it in. Claude Code stores it securely so you only need to do this once per machine. Navigate into your actual project folder inside the WSL terminal using the cd command. If you want the best experience, open VS Code and install the WSL extension, then you get full editor support alongside Claude Code in the integrated terminal. This is the setup most developers stick with long-term. Inside your project folder, just type Claude and hit enter. Claude Code reads your project files and drops you into an interactive session. You can now give it plain English instructions like add input validation to this form or write unit tests for the functions in utils.js and it gets to work immediately. Before any change hits your files, Claude Code shows you exactly what it plans to edit, a clear diff of old versus new. Always read this before accepting, especially for anything touching business logic, database queries, or configs. This review step is what separates confident AI-assisted development from costly mistakes. Claude Code has built-in /commands that speed up common workflows. Type /review to get a code review of your current file, /commit to have Claude draft a clear git commit message based on your changes, and /clear to reset the context when you start a new task. These small commands add up to a lot of saved time. That is all it takes: WSL, Node, 1 npm install, your API key, and you have a real AI coding agent running inside your Windows projects. Pick one repetitive task in your codebase this week, writing tests, refactoring a messy function, or documenting an API, and let Claude Code handle it while you review and ship.